aban dia ti aban da pade dia sabi enya hweso mum na tuaka na emum de ajapade ne dia no ono mum ne tua ka na eja hwesuni no so hweso obehweso na bibia atimi akoyi. But in this case, or in the case of Black Queens there, hweso na which is AGF no omumum na etua coach no enso ka which is Ekem last. Na the man some no kra no assign bibia on say Kem last say wo de compare ni PSA Nigeria for no ni Morocco no ni oma eba no the elite football eba no man football no as ono ne de no wo fam kakra na ne de no so because of FN ni 20 na am eduru maybe a sikatua no enko hyehyew ama opani no adwuma de na ni je ho. In fact say utie Kem last o kasa utumi say Ghana adwuma no na ni je ho pa se hwani ya obetena ate no ya adwuma no enso de ama. But adabia meka sika de obi anu a wo mpedie so edna obai ni performance o de ma Black Stars no ama countries ni bia sha say show interest so opani ba bia anti kura honye ntinka bra ye de betua wo kayie no ya adwuma no enso de ama sanya ma wo ya na Ghana ye ya at a point ye Lucy Nora Haptel at the ama Omeya from Zambia Emma Nora enso koya King last beji jumedia say sana ekeka de kwa anwa na beduru mebi ama Ekem last enso no yetimi alusi no ene pese awram na yedi san komo na afila ben kra na wo ho na yereso opani no ono ana kasa Ghana adwuma no pede nanso sadam kan obi apesika because you sika to obi bo wa eden to say we die memeje na memeye adwuma no countries ben kra na o ma sase o mususo interest awo openim so munya na ono so betimi aba coach e dia momo ni na ho nsam ha ye bedi san komo no awo dwumade so ti journey life awo YouTube Nhyira TV na yini na no yeni nkomo minim se we enkan topic no de Ayala tie wan kasa obra pani and fellows of Ofosu Kwakye dem say opo asem pa me kai the last time Ofosu Kwakye ba ha I oba ya no Ayala we and I'm so Ayala mai no so oh and then the next thing come to Ayala because that's you know
Minister in charge of government communications yes
also no there or bibi kakre hano
and related to the story yes
na idi eyenkomo no enso eyentie fellows Ofosu Kwakye awo bonuses aitua edema players no ose ase ye atwa manager do de bi edu mema na atwa ni huge edu ma no a fie bi ne de ama no kra no yensan kra entua ni yi so be yank yenye den yentie fellows Ofosu Kwakye.
Well, that would be quite unfortunate. I think that we need to treat all our athletes equally, irrespective of gender. I mean, I even hold a view. It may be controversial, but I think that we should be paying equal wages to both men and women athletes. I don't see why men should be paid higher than women. That in itself is a difficulty. Delays are not desirable, of course, and I think that we should take steps going forward to ensure that it does not recur. Sometimes these hitches occur.
Okay. Enti where ye fellows of Ofosu Kwakye and now this appeal aba say look adwuma no bi eye said the man na ye adwuma ne sa na man so park ni so a we bonenti enti say Black Stars for no ombo game we ni etimom $10,000 a adenti na man de ye ntimi so entry to the same way na nkom so bo game ya the same 10,000 bi ye ntwa from sanya be ya ade no obi nkonya ayemna se pobi na nkwensa ase we mu de treat different eduru ye de so de anase yiniska sa na ebe kekakanta amiti una
Rich Sanya the minister in charge of government communications Ekan onim onya aware Sanya a lot of Ghanaians enya aware of the situation of the Black Queens.
So yenkas were naive.
No, onye naive.
Okay.
Onye aware.
And onye on top of issues.
I think the best word is onye aware.
Okay, that's fine.
Because unum say Ghana for bebre enya aware. Say Black Queens coach. Sani aban tia Black Stars technical team no. omuntua Black Queens coach for neka. Ghana for bring away. I am telling you.
And it's true, yeah.
Even journalists.
Sure.
They are not aware. I reach it to Jason come aware, and even some job from come aware. And can did the need pressure on me to ministry to pay a man bonuses. Because they would have had that same campaign, but they are not aware. Now, my more little background be. Nora. Now, your recommendation from the former technical director, Bernard Lepet. And I say, there is this woman, minimum, and she's very good with embar football. Europe. Say, mo pese, mo se sa embar football any Ghana. Meti mini na kasana me dinaba. Yene ni enya some agreements bi oba be ye adwuma na ma kama. So Rich, when Nora came no, na yetua nka $5,000. And na order one of the penthouses at Alisa Hotel. Then because that time no not Black Queens, omu bonuses you are changing from 3,000 to 2,598 way no. It means yes so win game bia. Who said the standard practice they say the players need you know coaches need you double.
Yeah, times two.
Enti ni ebo game bia we are Nora. Say Black Queens a win game a near man $3,000 as ni winning.
No players need $1,500.
Yes. Enti bonus of 3,000 order Alisa Hotel
Penthouse.
yes. And it's $5,000 a month.
But hala, also my problem power. Nora na abayin yesiken tiana kano. Oko Alisa or the penthouse.
So that is any penny baby obenya.
Me I know you the problem because also feeling comfortable no yeah
kitchen. Was a normal hotel rooms no. Unya like you know ko. No anya
penthouse on the boy heading. It's Ayala, imagine say Sasike na banzo onye bi ntua coach nika. But ne koda penthouse tua says kano. So man kase ani e obi no oda ho a says kan tinkin to be ntua nika.
Na Rich.
Eh asemo. Bre enko enim.
Sa no me ya mabobosu yi. Apart from the bonus na omubo game na no mutua no. Enye aban na etua Alisa na no oda no.
Efe ni na say ntua.
And the 5,000 na otua no nye aban ne tua efe ne tua. And Nora, the salary, which was the 5,000, Alisa na no oda no. Efe ne de bono. Because aban say only scout the betu Black Queens e coachika. Rich, Yohana, Tunisia. Eba almost mama Nora $40,000 a month. Obi waje 5,000. Almost man 40,000 a month. Morocco buy. Baby o coach CCA, which is Equatorial Guinea, omo buy. Now you see, Nora ewo this ambition say, enye skankwa osape embatima ojiri se obetimi dia achieve bibi. And so obekaya after the time Nora every Black Queens akono. Rich South African continent in this one. The 3 best Emma football countries were Nigeria, the Equatorial Guinea team now Kwakye and Morocco. So no nyana so or ko baby kekaye sikentia. Na ope baby a sikane good and almost our new ma football no ho a omo team a ebetimi dey na achieve and Nora koy. Efeni babai say what they are doing for Nora no enye enough. And competition na eba Nora ho no. Say anye bibia amfa ho. Efeni so government ni say they can't do anything about it. Omunti bintia.
Oni ma de kuntia. Ministry ne according to their memate. And they say almost say na sa national team no. Our sponsors. Amunyenye skebini adenti. then na yemma Black Stars can say me tweet you win me na. Mo for say can be tweet ya.
E ho na kan ma be ba no.
Okay.
Nhyira yen de yen sem twa adwuma. So anopay we try calling the ministry. Say Nhyira Power Sports, we have a concern. Say the Jamefe Commission I establish say all the various national teams belongs to the states. And Omaino and what the responsibility over the national teams. Ampa, even before Jamefe Commission, Abani has been taking care of the national teams as its responsibility. Even though there are lapses and in principle, Abani be a baby national teams in the now. Eba member inside, you agree to pay blasters budgets for friendlies, budgets for qualifiers, budgets for tournaments. You agree to pay the salaries of the workers of the blasters, which is the technical team. What Jatum say a member national team? No, it is your responsibility. Adenti and the bad man dia. Unim say your responsibility, and so on ye. Rich, asema no pay the Sports and Recreation Ministry catch and say Ayala, move from a platform na more educating kofo. Say na FA4 no FIFA sika na omogeno. Any FIFA forward money na eba omo ho no. Omo so omo fa sa aka we mo omo we. Omuntie bi enye we anya hwe kra no emema ne de ndie ye ministry no ye boss aka no because emema ne ye nkaka no mo qualify ko tournament a omo so discover emema game no kra no se ye blasters game a gate fee kra no timi discover kakra so ba ame ye de tie ka no so ne ma ne de omo fa hwe mra yen nansi akwa ye ne Egypt boy free gate. It's a man then the acquire come qua. Yes, you're where yes, it casamunye. And unti and I ain't mean for mano ekano and mekayekano. Rich on record. Yemma at your foreign ministry for an say what they told us, we've said it. We've not kept the information, we've not kept more explanation, and that is what the ethics of journalism and saying. So you are presenting almost side of the story. But Rich, it doesn't erase the fact say Adia Omoyeno. It is not the right thing. It is not right.
Me baby Shumasuni. A Japadiano who are buying in Eodia.
Of course.
Every has to the amount.
Of course.
Semitianum where Japadinum food be so on her so mammy. Na a Japadiani disikabi bar. Some me honor say Sazikane free san in a bammer.
Of course.
Na se mi obibi a mediama Shasunin so jibi. Sa excuse na ministry de ma say oh na say national team last time near this kaka sponsors near de. To move for Sazikane be emfa hwema no. No. Yes, I almost say the entry of Mubom Memman Hokano. And I say a member dear, we ain't kakaka no qualify tournament. Say AFCON World Cup. Ultimately as huge as $9 million. It's me ba. And no say at least there's Bibi Ba made a tear cancel. Bibi Ba. Apart from the Omunya crowd tournament, Simebano. Say a bobo. For instance, Nancy Ghana against Mali, Ghana against Comoros. Pakayama say them. See a Jubia 20 series Ghana. Yes. And see a member dear. Omu break a crama 8 minutes here castle. But a man dear, Sika Omedebano. And yes, significant. So again, everything confess can no Mufanyamana.
Until I make
Mumiama born
until I make us say. Yaya Juma as a for is to represent the information they give us. See a man near Mekaya. na obi tie ya the person have every right to say oh na mo ka say na situation it here na mo nko ministry no na omo ma mo nchechemu enu ti ne san nchechemu na ba no enu ti ameka say ne tofa bom ni say utie say ni asem ni sitie any the explanation na ministry ne dey man na rich it is still not right what the ministry is doing to the Black Queens. And say obo friends of Ofosu Kwakye voice empodi kan onumpo de watra even just the responsibility of taking care of the Black Queens to say yemfa Black Queens cross kano emeto mema ne de me say he doesn't even know the foundation is not even there to build this argument, you know. And now you can say, oh, Felix, and this is not politics, but Wabaya, Minister for Government Communications, you know, and Black Queens technical team for Numpoka.
Nankambese ya ko resume
mu ya kaka say afi ya duru where ya bema mema no anase manu equal bonus sa entua. But Obianim say the Blasters it no sign a Black Queens it here it is only a gender difference. Say you can status you can senior national team you can men you can female and the Blasters and the Black Queens difference be anymore. Bakuya mema na bakuya ma in terms of status. Say Black Queens call Afcon a man also call mu Afcon. Say Blasters call World Cup a man also to be qualified call mu World Cup. The last time Obimpo di animonyam po kakra bre Ghana football at the senior level our the Afcon was May last year at the bronze nearby. Rich, look, it doesn't make any sense. And Entwasumu be being wow beka it will make it seems right. Unless also your football they've developed a certain attitude towards Ghana Football Association ni bibia entino whether you obi treaty bibi bad against them kana any pakon nya ho no hwe honestly ni argument say almost mbaka ni bi the national team doesn't belong to them. Sika e FIFA hold back to member associations. Rich FIFA otudi no this cabinet o. FIFA doesn't just give you money say spend it. Otudi FIFA sikebi odi bi obi otudi oh yeah no some external auditors FA discredit
to edit you
water coopers ne KPMG no mu di wachi mama Ghana sika say offensive also the Kosi Technical Center ewo northern region and upper west or the budget ne be no say na be cost me this kanama no enti make sure say sika na say no abeje no there are even times FIFA will give you the contractors. Say the be a who go to zuko contractor. Enti say eyo obi wo ministry ho say oh sika FIFA de bre F4 no adeti omunti mu bi emfentia kema. Then why are they not making the same argument for the Blasters? And they catch omo say omo for say skedi bi entia otuado kai. Any John Penson money coaches trainer Lion. But if yes, but if as a matter of principle, Rich, so ujitum say, untimin can't Alfred for say, added secure woman, or move them into Tuadoka. Nemo sa Blasters in there. What fato who say, Obano, Ubashanwa? You need to do the same thing. And look, Medema no sino. For a layman's argument, that is why I lay it. Rich. Young country ministry ni say it is said they wa wo mam yenu baako ye oba baako ye bema now excuse and say bema ndi obehwe no if so one ye bema da kwama bia no odni tihwehwe mu obetima kwa konya adwuma papa bia ye na sa wo unyini a wabehwe wo na oba ne de e obi ba be ware na koye lazy enti umfa ni nko school unhye no because unia ni da so bia say ono no de unyini a obetimi ababa show back. That isn't a good argument from the ministry. And Ghana for ina ya mamati ase say if mo ma no betum bia mo fuma no ntumu bi na de ye ma mema national team no ye nyema ma no so national team no
Ayala ya kando e fidie so several times say o GMPs no mani ade nti aba ntimi nko en kan just GMPs Your black queens here. Can they do that?
And Rich, apart from winning bonuses.
Oh, come on.
Any other. They only cost even Black Stars technical team.
Oh, Cassiano.
That is the case I'm making. Say Black Stars technical team. No. Otto, John Pencil, Schaefer, Lion, Ammonia Dingina. You pay all of them, including Gregory Mommy video analysis. There's an arrangement and there's a structure. I do just uncle. Look, this Black Queen situation and your Black Stars problem, and not kind. But we are just doing a comparison. Be say, Rich, and no me catch you say, the assistant coaches of the Black Stars are receiving $10,000 as a monthly salary. The national team coach of the Black Queens, who is a senior head coach, is not even taking what the assistant coaches of the Black Stars is taking. And now me know can say, Rich, Sanka omunti mimpo de kem last. Our the head coach of the Black Queens nimpo to the level on the assistant coaches of the Black Stars natumpa. And I think sir, he will be happy.
Sure.
He will be happy. Somebody know they are down there. And Ghana for where they in there sampa. You ministry and say what they are doing and yet no kwanswa. And a smelly discrimination. A smelly irresponsibility. A smelly say senior we are sensitive to a man and yes I we are sensitive to a man and you good thing. And now you bet no why to lose Kim send you lose Nora no and sana you need and what just campaign mu aka ministry say they should do the right thing and
until we them say to the yebra penny fellas of Ofosu Kwakye equality before the law munyo nyina pe na bibia nya kama. All right, your first I'm so commanding